Hello students. So today we are solving one statistic question on Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. This is important. Spearman's rank correlation. So its formula is given by rho equals to 1 minus 6 summation di square. So di as in we considered a difference, divided by n into n square minus 1. N is total number of observations. So this is our formula for Spearman's rank correlation. Now let's read the question. In a singing competition, two judges award ranks for each of 10 contestants. So observations 10. So let's solve this. So 10 into 10 square, 100 minus 1. So we get 990. Okay. So this is the denominator. Now, based on the ranks awarded by the two judges, the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient rho for the 10 contestants was computed to be 0.6. So, rho is given as 0.6. Okay. Now, it was found later that the difference in ranks awarded by the two judges for one of the contestants was incorrectly taken as 2 instead of 5. Okay, so in summation di square, 1 was taken incorrectly. Now, if the correct difference is taken into account, then we have to find the correct rho. Rank correlation, we have to find out the correct rank correlation. Okay, so let's solve this. So, we get, this is the incorrect one. So, through the incorrect one, we will find out the value of summation di square. Now, 0.6 equals to 1 minus 6 summation di square. So divided by this, the denominator 990. So now summation di square, we can write it as 1 minus 0.6. So this is 0.4. 0.4 into 990 divided by 6. Okay, so solving we will get value 66. Okay, 66. Now in summation di square, 2 was incorrectly taken and the correct value is 5. So we can consider, so correct, this is incorrect. Incorrect. Now the correct value, correct is 66, the original, the incorrect one, total summation di square. So 2, incorrect one was 2. So adding this, 2 to the 4, 2 square 4. We are subtracting the incorrect one, plus we are adding the right, correct one. So 5, 5 square 25. So 66, the correct value, 66 minus 4 plus 25. So we have 87 is our correct value. Now putting all these values, we get the rho. So rho 1 minus 6 summation di square. So 6 into 87 divided by 990. So 680 into 87. So this is 1 minus 522 by 990. So 1 minus, this is coming around 0.527. So this equals 0.47. Okay. So 0.47. This is the value of correct rho. Correct rho. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all. So this is very easy question and based on the formula only. You have to remember the formula. So Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, rho is denoted by 1 minus 6 summation di square by n into n square minus 1. This is very easy. Okay. चलो ठीक है. Bye.